Hello, my name is Aaron Rose, and I'm a broker with RE/MAX Boone Realty. I'm located in Columbia, Missouri, and it's in the middle of Missouri and, of course, the United States.
Today I'm proud to show you a listing at 3501 Piranha Court. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage slab-built home with a bunch of custom amenities and an enormous backyard. So much more to see. Entering on custom tile, our living room, gas fireplace, our formal dining room, complete with plantation shutters and columns, our kitchen eat-in area, and now our kitchen. Brand new microwave and dishwasher, tile floors, and pantry. And this door steps out to our covered back patio and impressive yard. Utility room with built-in cabinets. Our main hall bathroom, also with tile floors. Bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and now our master bedroom. Custom ceiling, walk-in closet, and complemented by this master bathroom. Dual vanity sinks, jetted tub, and low step-in shower. 3501 Piranha Court sits comfortably on a cul-de-sac, beautiful curb appeal, roomy 2-car garage with additional storage in the attic, upgraded LVP flooring throughout the home, a 6-foot by 20-foot covered lawn shed, a covered back patio, and let's take one more look at this enormous backyard.
Again, my name is Aaron Rose, and I can be found on the web at goarose.com. That's GOAROSE.com. See you on the net.
If you like this home or any other home, realize I'm only a mouse click or a phone call away.